this is the last lesson for this week. Skills 1, Lesson 8. Again, we are going to start counting on our fingers as our warm-up from 1 to 10 as many times as you need to, and resume when you are ready. Now we're going to talk a little bit about our writing strokes that we've been doing. We want to make sure that we are calling them the correct thing. This is a horizontal line, okay? This is a vertical line. This is a circle, and these are our diagonal lines. Okay, if you need to come back to this at the end and review it, that is a good option. Next, we have our step forward or stand up, sit down for noises. Pause that and resume when you're ready. Now we have the teacher-student echo. I want you to try, instead of just echoing me this time, I want you to clap when I say a word. Dogs are pets. Okay, so I want you to do it just like that. And then you repeat after me. Our next sentence is milk is white. Next sentence is I like cats and dogs. Next sentence, 1, 2, 3, look at me. The last sentence is we eat lunch in the room. Excuse me. All right. Next, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. You're going to practice drawing squares on a vertical surface, okay? What I mean by vertical is it would mean if you taped a piece of paper on the wall, okay? They're going to practice drawing squares in this way. Starting at the star, pull to the left, pull down, pull to the right, pull up. Okay, and then you can do that as many times as you need and resume when you're ready. Okay, when you have completed drawing your squares, we're going to have a review of vertical and horizontal lines in your workbook, and that's it for today. Thank y'all for working so hard this week, and I can't wait to see y'all back in class.